What happens if my employer does not honor the final verdict and pay within 15 days? So what you're referring to is the UAE employment law that now sets the deadline for a company to pay end of service at the end of the employment relationship with the employee. And also make references for what happens if the company does not pay within these 15 days. Now, in that case, the penalty that's referenced in the law is not compensation to the employee, but rather fine or penalty on the company. So that's important to highlight, is that just because the company failed to pay you within those 15 days, that doesn't mean that whatever penalty is ultimately imposed on them is going to come to you. So what your recourse here is that if they still do not pay, it's just to file a court case, unfortunately. If you're based on the mainland or you're a domestic employee, then you would have to file through Mohre. If you are in a free zone, you have to first start with the free zone and then basically kind of go through the process and ultimately make the argument in court that the company failed to pay within the 15 days and ask the court to apply the relevant recourse or penalty. But just to help you manage your expectations, the court may penalize the company, or Mohre may penalize the company, but that's a penalty and a fine that goes to the government and not to you.